6 times will be my CPC.
So can
What
you
I've
share
taken is,
Sir,
I'll
can
share
you
that. I'll share. When I've done this, and one more assumption I had made was that my return on investment is a bare minimum of 9%. 8% is government securities, that's the 9%. Practically, NPS now gives us about 12 to 13% on an average year on year. So I've taken basis, take the basic 9%. So these were my 3 assumptions. This W of mine retires in 48. So he will be getting the 26 ka pay commission, 36 ka pay commission, and 46 ka pay commission. I've taken a bare minimum of 1.56. For the calculation, I will share you the calculation also. I found that